He's like this.
I'm waiting for him to do it again. He won't do it again.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, Laura, you're scaring me just getting that close to Paul. Oh yeah, I'm working Friday.
Kitty, kitty.
Yeah, we'll go out Friday night.
Poor kitty, kitty.
Why are you so angry? I'm saying possum right now, be careful.
Smile for the can't.
I'm just recording him. He's like, he's doing like that. He's angry. Oh, he doesn't want to get groomed.
Why are you recording me? You're making a mockery out of me. Yeah, I'd be a little bit uncomfortable. I'm just gonna show my husband this. Uh-oh. Kishan might leap at you.
I'm waiting for a close-up, but he's not.
Can you grab my hand? So I just stopped.
Sherelle, that wasn't really messed up if you did. He would have just bit the crap out of you.
I'll leave him alone.
Alright.
Oh, shit. Oh my God, I missed it. Hey. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a good one. No, this cat's like cracking a Lori and all the girls are amused. Shauna and yeah. I like this kissing though.